wanted to give you guys an update on the elderberry cuttings that I did about 2 months ago. In another 10 days, it'll be about 2 months ago. And I wanted to show you how they're doing. These ones, they were in dormancy when I took them. The ones I did before were in the summer, and they took probably about 2.5 months to start rooting. These ones have started about a month after that I did them, but I want to show you what they all look like. Every one of them are alive, and I'm pretty sure almost every one of them have roots. You want to see right there? Look at all those beautiful roots. And it's taken like a month to start these, so those two, I have 5 in each jar. It's like there's 2 that haven't rooted yet, but they're getting close. They are alive, you can see them. The top is still alive. And in this group of 5, let's look. Oh, I need to take this thing up. We don't want leaves down there. But look, they have roots. This one only has 1 little root, but look at this one. This one has a ton of roots. So I have some friends that I'm going to send these to in the mail, but I'm not sure how to send them in the mail. So I've got to do some research. And this one, I've got to take that off too. But every one of these, all 5 of these have rooted. So it was a success, 10 out of 10, you guys. Anyway, good luck in your propagating your elderberry. I hope you have as much success as I have.